Okay, so we're going to use the arithmetic sequence formula for this problem. Now, just as I'm thinking of it here, you're going to want a good note page for the final exam because there's a lot of formulas. And you're going to want to be able to find them when you need them. So you might want to do it by chapter, but this is going to be the arithmetic sequence formula right here. Okay, so here's what we have. It says, given an arithmetic sequence where we know a sub 1, we know a sub 4, and they want us to find a sub 5. Well, what we really want to know is what the common difference is. If we knew the difference, then we could go from a sub 4 to a sub 5, right? We could just add the difference. But we don't know what the difference is, but we can find it by using the formula. So I'm going to use this formula right here that I have. I know a sub 4 is 14. That means my n is going to be 4, and my a sub 4 is 14. So it's like I'm saying a sub 4, which is 14, is going to equal, and now I'm going to use this here. So a sub 1, which is 8, plus d, that's what I don't know, but I know n is 4. Okay, so I'm hoping that makes some sense to you. When you know a sub 4, you know that the n is 4. And then you know the result, it's 14. So that's why I'm putting that there. I'm afraid this part might be confusing you. Okay, well, maybe don't write that part. We'll just write 14 equals 8 plus d times 3, or 14, 14 equals 8 plus 3d. Subtract the 8. So hopefully you're all happy with a little linear equation here. Divide by 3. And the d is 2. Okay, great. Now you might have a question, does the common difference have to be an integer? No, I don't see why it would have to be an integer, but a lot of times it is, but just in the examples that they give us. But okay, so the difference is 2. Okay, then if a sub 4 is 14, then a sub 5 has to be 16. So we found it. Do we care what a sub 2 and a sub 3 is? No, not really. If you really wanted to, I mean, you could write it out just to kind of as a check. If a sub 1 is 8, a sub 2 is 10, a sub 3 is 12, a sub 4 is 14, and a sub 5 is 16. Yeah, that's, a nice little check, but you didn't really have to do that. We just got it from right there. We just took the a sub 4, which was 14, and added the difference, which was 2. Okay.